now turn around. Turn around. And we'll switch partners. Izzy. Ayaw dun or dance. How about Jim? Jim, hold hands with Jimbo. And Izzy and Vivian will be partners. Okay, ready? Izzy? Very good, Jim. And turn around. Very good. Thank you, Jim. How about Bella? Bella, this time, Jim mo, Vivian. Later, ha, after Bella. Let's go side to side. Side to side. Side to side. Side to side. Very good. And turn around. Alright. This time, Izzy. Dance with Jimbo. Side to side. Side to side. Yes. Are you sure? Hop. You're just dancing with Jimbo. You're not carrying him. And turn around. And stop. Okay, Jim. Everybody clap their hands. Good job, Jim. You want to dance with Jimbo? Alright. Okay. Who wants? Teacher will bring out her music box now. Everybody sit down, sit down, sit down. Who's listening to teacher? Are you listening to teacher? Ready, Jim? Bella? Vivian? Are you ready? Teacher's going to bring out the music box. Jillian? Izzy, are you listening to teacher? There, time to sit down and be quiet. Jimbo the clown said, Jimbo the clown says, all day long. Here we have our You're still a horsey? Okay, ready to listen, Izzy?